Oh my.
It's like controls. Power supply.
Just looks like the base of it there. All right. Oh.
This arrived not in the most stable of shipping, with a bent, pretty banged up leg there. I'm gonna try to try to bang it out with a rubber mallet here, a little bit, straighten it out. We'll see how that goes. I think that's about as good as we'll get.
Better.
Yeah. I don't want to go too much more. The instruction manual. Doesn't look too hard to put together. Alright, next part of the instructions, number 3, has us taking these bolts and putting them through there. They do provide a little wrench to do that with. Now we put this on top. So now we got it on top here. We're lining up these bolts underneath it. Alright, I'm lining up this hole here.
Point to it again.
This hole here with this hole here. Underneath. And I'm taking a long bolt with a washer on it. Here. And up there. And push it through. Line it up. Get that in there. I'm not going to go too tight yet to get the other ones on so we have room to get off this plastic. So now we got this other one down here. Just starting with the hand tightening on all these, and I'm going to go through with the Allen wrench that they provided and give them a good final tightening. And the final one. the next step is we get these struts attached here to the legs and the back. So we're gonna start with these leg struts that are going through the little T-bar on the bottom down to the base. All right, everybody, we are cutting in to later, but this is something you're going to want to do before you even get to any other parts in putting together your table here, attaching the limbs here to the legs. We might even want to do it the other side, but I'm showing you now. I got some of these hose clamps here, 5/16 to 7/8 inch hose clamps. We'll put a link in the description on Amazon. All right, and I've already got one over here on this side that I did just to make sure they'd work, and they do. You can get them nice and tight on there, but because we saw the legs kept falling down, you can put these on now and tighten them, but you want to do that before you attach the legs up here. So you're going to just take your hose clamp while this is in there, let it go down all the way, and then go ahead and do the rest, just like the instructions. Screw and bolt through there. Bolt and nut through there, as it were. Okay, so now these can be locked down, and we'll get in the rest of the screws into here in the bottom as it's supposed to be. But so now, when you get your feet in, they don't need to slide down. We can tighten these in, and they'll stay up. I think that's most of it until the electronics now. Last piece of plastic.
All right, getting the electronics in.
Like a remote.
OmySalon has sent this amazing electronic tattoo chair. I'm going to try it out right now for the first time. Okay, I feel pretty high up here. Would you say I'm... How high am I right now?
I think 29 inches is what it's supposed to go to.
Well, that's a pretty decent height, it seems like. And then, of course, to lay down and put the feet up, I think it's separate.
Yeah, those are manual, it looks like. I can do that. Head's coming down. Tension on the bars holds it. Actually seems to work pretty good.
And here we are on the OmySalon electric chair. Feels pretty good. I could definitely lay here a lot longer than on a massage table. And the armrests don't have to come off when it goes up and down. That's nice. Armrests. There they are. Comfortable laying down. Alright. Looks good. Alright, let's check out the face hole on this OmySalon chair. Hello everyone. Yeah, not bad. Just supports my forehead and my chin. Goes through, but I have a tiny face. I might drill on you if you're still there. It's pretty comfortable. I feel like I'm not gonna fall out of it. Yeah, when I get on and off, let me get on and off of it. That's the big thing. Every time people get on the bed, they're like, oh my god, it's gonna fall. Is this all the way up, by the way?
I don't know.
There it is. There we go. Okay. They're always making a big deal about the bed. Rocky. It doesn't rock too much, so that's nice. You see that? I definitely feel like the Stencil chair does rock quite a bit. It doesn't turn, for one. Does it turn? It's not a thing, right?
Mm-mm.
Well, that would keep it from rocking as much. So it doesn't turn, it doesn't swivel, right?
Mm-mm.
Yeah. So that makes it a little more stable. Just slightly. Lots of room for my arms here. Yeah, I really would not mind getting tattooed in this chair. It's very, very comfortable. I approve of this chair. Hey guys, we've been using this thing now for the last 2 weeks and I'm really, really happy with it. After I got the legs figured out with those hose clamps, it just ended up turning into basically an electronic massage table that goes up and down. That is so nice. I have to tell you that this thing goes up really, really high as well, higher than my Stencil chair, which costs like thousands of dollars. This is actually only $600. So for $600, I was not sure if this thing would be comfortable, but it is super comfortable. Everyone who's laid on it so far thinks it's great. I was also not sure if it would be low enough or high enough, but I just showed you how low it is, and now I'm going to max height. It also has these wonderful wide arm area. I feel like you can fit people of all different body types on this particular bed, which is super important. Also, in regard to all different body types, it does take up to 440 pounds of load. So thank you, OmySalon, for making such a great electronic massage table so tattoo artists can do their best work. If you want to get a discount on this bed, don't forget to use the link in the description below for 5% off. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. Bye guys.
Thank you. Bye.